This is at some building, Alderson Hall.
I was about to say the name and you were like, you didn't know. We have what looks to be a modded
Impulse.
silver impulse.
Damn.
It's kind of sad. That's going to be more and more common here in the coming like 5
Yeah.
10 years.
Elevator 2.
Should be 2 elevators in here then.
This is a very new because it's got the
Yes.
yes, no.
Would you like to go to 4? Yes.
Yes. You sure about that?
Yes. Is the white screen always on, or is it because I pushed the yes button?
No, it was on before.
Okay. I kind of don't like the new
It's so
system that
much.
requires your elevator to have internet access.
Yeah, right.
Hey, would you look at that?
Ooh. Guess we'll film that next.
That must be elevator 1.
I don't say.
Just like the last video, we'll have the same conclusion. It's nice how many freight elevators they have here.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I think DU has only the one. There's the one in halls, one in towers, and one
Bookstore.
in the bookstore was really hard to get to.
Uh-huh.
And then there's the one in the
Music building.
music building. Yeah. The freight elevator doesn't come down.
Maybe it goes to the back. I bet it has a rear door. Anyway, that's it.